Hi friends, good morning everybody. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today's topic will be the fear of being judged. How can you remove this fear of being judged? Okay, so watch this video completely. You will get to know how can you remove the fear of being judged from your within. Okay, so I am giving you promise that if you watch this video fully, I will tell you three topics. Okay, within this fear of being judged, there will be 3 points of concerns. If you just understand it and inculcate within your mind, then believe me, friends, a lot of things will be going to happen, and you will become more and more confident from within. And whenever you go in front of audience to speak something, or whenever you are going to talk to 5 to 6 friends of yours, you will not feel hesitated from within. You will feel comfortable. You will feel better. Okay, and believe me, 5 to 6 friends of mine has implemented these concepts and they are getting positive results. Okay, so just listen to me carefully and try to inculcate in your life, and you will see magic coming in your way. What is the first and foremost thing which is very much important to remove this fear of being judged? The first and foremost thing is prepare on the content, because if preparation is lacking, you will not get the words to say something, right? You should have something to say. If you don't have something to say, then what will you speak at that point of time? And those 5 to 6 people are talking among themselves, they must be having some knowledge about that topic, right? And why you are not able to say something? The first thing might be lack in confidence, and second thing might be less knowledge. So what can you do? To increase the confidence, you can do whatever I am telling you. Okay, make eye contact and smile. Okay, so they will allow you to speak. There you will get the confidence to speak. And second thing is read a lot of books, friends. How can you increase your knowledge? The topics which you have to deliver, or a topic which you want to bring to them or to your friends, for that you need to have some knowledge to deliver that topic, right? If you don't have knowledge, how can you deliver that topic, friends? So you have to get that knowledge. From where you will get that knowledge to speak? You can read books, you can read magazines, newspapers related to that particular topic. You can watch some TVs. In that TV, so there will be some news regarding that. You can see those things and get it updated with your thoughts, with your knowledge. Okay, you have to be updated with whatever topics you need to speak in front of audience, because audience are updated and you have to be updated as well. So prepare content thoroughly, read a lot of books. Okay, so reading a lot of books will make yourself a better person. And third and most important thing is work upon yourself. If you don't work upon yourself, no, you will not gain confidence. You will have that topics to talk about, you will have that concepts to tell, but if you don't work upon yourself how to deliver it, then all those knowledge and information will go in vain. That will not be in use. Okay, so believe me, if you have to implement something in life, then you have to work upon yourself. How can you deliver that knowledge? Because delivering is also very important. Just gaining lot of knowledge is not important. If you are not able to deliver it properly at the time of speaking, at the time of where you need to deliver, if at that point of time you are not able to deliver, you're not able to speak, then there's no use of getting that knowledge, right? What will you do if you have a lot of knowledge but you're not able to help somebody, those who are in need of that knowledge? What is the use of getting that knowledge then? So you have to deliver it at the right time. Then only that knowledge or that purpose of content which you have imbibed within yourself will be beneficial for the other person. So speak on the topic which is familiar to you, because most of the people take the topics which they are not familiar about. Let's suppose some people are not interested in politics and all, but they are surrounded by those people who are talking about politics all the time. So what can you do at that point of time? You are not interested in politics means you are not knowing what is going on. You are not updated with the recent happenings in politics, what all the ministers and all are doing. You are not aware of that. So how will you deliver your content? How will you talk among themselves? How will you talk among those friends who are talking about politics? You can't able to tell anything, right? So at that point of time, what can you do? Remain quiet. Because if you tell something and that is wrong, you will feel guilty and they will make you feel ashamed. So the best thing will be just nod your head like this and keep silent, keep quiet, and just listen to them. That is the best thing actually. If you are not knowing, it's better to keep quiet rather than speaking something and feeling guilty. That is a main important thing which I wanted to tell you. So second thing is which most of the people faces problem, like what if I am asked questions. You all people feel that problem, like if somebody from the middle asks some questions, or if you are discussing on a topic within 8 to 10 people, and let's suppose 1 or 2 people raise up and ask some questions to you, then what will you do? I know that you know you're not knowing all the questions answer, but you can do one thing. You can create a discussion among your peers. You can create a discussion. You can tell if you don't know the answer or you are knowing little bit. Instead of delivering the answer, what you can do, friends? You can tell कि I want discussion to be done on this topic because it is very important topic. So I need all your people's thought, what you all are thinking for this topic, and let them discuss. And if 8 to 10 people will discuss on that topic, you will get the ideas related to that topic. So you will get to know something which you were not knowing before. And if you get that content from those people, and then you can just write it, you can just tell it in the form of sentence, whatever they are telling, just gather those points, and at the end of the discussion, just tell them. So these are the things which you need to understand. Okay. So these are the famous problems which people face while speaking in front of public, or or who is actually an introvert and who is not able to deliver their content properly. So these two problems people face. And third important problem which people face in their life is, who are speaking in public, is they feel like they are not beautiful. They feel like I'm having pimples, I'm having dark skin, I'm having dark complexion. Then if I go and speak in front of public, if I go on stage and speak something, if I go among our friends and speak something or tell something, then they will tell like, how can I speak? Because I'm not good looking. So people will believe in your wisdom, people will believe in your intelligence. Okay, so don't believe in these things. Okay, you are intelligent and you are good looking from within, so implement it and you will see magic happening in your life. Cheers. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel if you like it. Thank you.